it, folks, and reset that. Those are up. There we go. Streaming live 10, 11. I'm hoping this is the same stream. Tell me it's the same stream, guys, right? I would think it would be. I would think it would be. Thank you guys so much, you guys who stayed, man. Dude, the internet just dropped, man. It's weird. We're almost done farming these runes. I'm going to hit this real quick, and then we're going to level up. We're going to go kill Fire Giant. Yeah, it has to be the same stream. Same, yeah, it has to be. Yeah, thank you, though. Well, no, once you commented, Kevin, then I knew it was the same stream. And I said I need 2 million. It's been a second since I checked. I think we got it, guys. Guys, that is half as long as it takes for me to get one level. I have to hit it like to 214. That's how long it takes me to get one level that at this point is totally insignificant. Caleb! Cool, cool, cool. You're freaking serious, man? I gotta hit one more time. But that's it. So that's... so I wasn't swiping while I was waiting for you guys. I was like wiggling and clicking and saying, where the hell's my stream? Is Restream going to be cool with this, or is it going to shut me down? You know, I don't know. I don't know what happened on YouTube. Level up, folks. All that to get intelligence up to 92. I don't know. Okay, first thing we do, guys, is we hide our shame, right? Get rid of the freaking Sacred Relic Sword. And put on the other Darkmoon +10. So now we're back to our build. And then first thing you do is GFR. And you get the hell out of here. So that way if someone comes in and not like, oh, what you doing, farming runes? Did it come back? Did YouTube come back though or no? I wonder if YouTube or Twitch came back, guys. Does anyone know if YouTube or Twitch came back? I'm just a little bit curious, man. I'm gonna look at it real quick. Charlie, your channel. How come it didn't use my freaking my thumbnail? It's up though. My thumbnail. Oh, it's still up. I just said that. And I wonder if Twitch is up, guys. You guys are probably already telling me. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah. My internet died, so everything stopped. But we're good. We're good. Okay, I'm just gonna check and see if the Twitch is still up. I never even, guys. I just clicked the button, go live on Twitch, dude. And like, I didn't go over there and try and set anything up. I didn't do nothing. Yo, it's up, guys. It's up, man. Charlie Sardo, Elden Ring, playing Elden Ring. Anyone watching? It says there's one person watching on Twitch. Is that one of you guys? Remember, it's nice to be important. Oh, more important to be nice, dude. That's Jammin' Eagle 10. Very cool, man. Very cool. Well, you know what, guys? In the YouTube, yep, did stream go down. YouTube is working. It came back. Yeah, man. Came back. Thank you. Cool. I'll tell you guys, man. 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, starting like from scratch, is really not easy to do. It's not easy, folks. And okay, put that on chat. We're back. Oh, and then I can take this thing and put this massive alerts in here. And so, I mean, I could do that on Facebook, but I've been streaming for like 3 years, right, guys? So, I did one of these streams the other day, and I got 8 watch hours. It's like, well, what's 8? That's not even enough, guys. Right? If I stream 4 times a week, 5 times a week, Elden Ring, 40 hours, 40 watch hours a week, times how many weeks? 52 weeks? There's 2,000. It's half, guys. But it's early. And if people start getting used to this, people get involved in the community, people like what they see, then we'll get those numbers up, you know? Multi-platforming. I am Caleb. We're back, Kirkendall. Thank you for coming back. YouTube looks like a video with an end. Yeah, I know. Why? I'm looking at my YouTube. It's up, though. See, I can see myself going, why? You know what I mean? I don't understand why it didn't put my thumbnail up. And on my list, it looked weird, but that's okay. Because I can go back later and enter my thumbnail. That it's not. Yeah, I'm not gonna start doing this now. This will take forever. Comments. Oh, it's got a create thing though, but it says I'm up. I don't know, man. I'll tell you, I don't know a lot about YouTube, but I'll get back to YouTube later. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to pause that. Okay, let's get... Because right now, I'm going to kill a fire giant. Looks like a new stream. Oh, do you think it was? Is that what it is, Kevin? Oh. If it's a new one, I'll leave it up. What can I do? And then I'll just delete it later if anyone comes in. Oh, it's like, it's probably better just to close it, but the fact is, I don't freaking know. I don't know. See, the Facebook thing held on to it. Oh, wait. Yeah, and you know what? The Twitch is a new one, too. The Twitch is a new one, too, guys. The Twitch is 6 minutes and 19 seconds. But it does say the same description, so I'm gonna leave it up. Okay. If you guys are involved with YouTube and Twitch, Charlie Sardo Gaming on both of those. Follow me in those two, guys. We're Facebook gaming partners, streamers, but never hurts. Oh my God, the chat went small when it restarted. What? Okay, cool. Go here. There we go. Refresh them. I'm gonna try it because I'm crazy, guys. I'm freaking crazy, guys. I should have never done that. And it seems to be alright. Oh my God, my chat is so cool now. Charlie was in Vegas over the weekend and it was -40 with the wind chill here. Caleb, where at, man? Fire giant, guys. Fire giant. We're going. We got to run through the snow poopies, guys. I don't like this stuff. Never did like the snow poopies. There have been lands, but I think I know the route. Kind of stay to the right. Jump, 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 jump. I think it tried to freeze on me again. Maybe my internet. No, really? Are you serious? I'm so sorry. Yeah, my stream is rock solid right now. To Facebook especially. That's the only one I can really see. Wait. Or not. Are you guys okay? If I'll tell you, you guys know me. Crazy, but that's how it goes. I think it got down to 0 in Dallas. Well, with the wind chill. Yeah, man. It's getting freaking cold. It's just getting cold. That's all there is to it. Okay, we go this way. We kind of stay to the right a little bit. Not too much to where you fall off the freaking cliff, folks. At some point, we will veer to the right. We will go across the poopy. There was a Knights Cavalry on the last playthrough. I hadn't killed before. He was right over here somewhere. Whoa! Jeez Louise, did you guys see that? I almost died. Ah! There he is. I've never had the Knights Cavalry chase me across, guys. Can I cheese him off the freaking bridge? Oh no! I tried to cheese him with the poison and I got the poison. Who just did that? Worked, bam, got the flu, but I'm all good. Kirkendall, no, man. Worked in it, no. What's with the stars? Courtney Reed used 200 stars. Courtney, you came back. What are you doing? How's the cat, Courtney? Is everything okay? Courtney, I killed the boss all by myself, which I've only done one out of the last 18 times. And we just 19 times killed that boss, and we killed it by myself without any help from anybody, except for chat, you know, pretty much telling me what to do. So, and that, Jesus, with the poison, guys. Why is the poison proccing upward? Oh, no, that's stamina. Courtney Reed with the 200. Kirkendall with the 200. Thank you, guys. I should be going upstairs, right? He's like, whoa, hello, buddy. Your stairs are over here. You gotta do, hey, you gotta do it yourself sometimes, Courtney. I think you bring up a good point. Courtney, are you having fun? I'm having fun. Whoa, whoa! Big monster, no whammies. Don't feel like dealing with that guy. Devish Hope says, she. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. I know a guy wrote a great song called, is it called Her or called She? She is a Kiss song. Her, I think, is a, what's his name song? Cat is good. He has cabin fever. Yeah, but at least now he can get outside, right? Because when the ice, we're supposed to have an ice storm coming soon, Courtney. Is there an ice storm coming? Is there like somewhere we could disappear to and like get away from the ice storm? I'm making fun. Hot in here, dude. It's hot in here too, man. I want to take this freaking shirt off, bro. But that would just be rude. It's against my my partner freaking acceptance speech, guys. I didn't make an acceptance speech. Did you guys know that? I didn't really. Yeah. It's hot in here, says Caleb Boyd. The cat is good. You love to see it. It's a Nelly song, Hot in Her. I get it. I get it. I kind of figured. I don't know the Nelly song, though. I do not know the Nelly song. I will not sing it with another song. Courtney says, yes, all day. Today, son, have no clue. Is this real life? Life storm coming? Yeah, there was sun today, man. You're right. Fire Giant, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get down between the Fire Giant's legs, and I'm gonna get rock and roll, and boogie, boogie, boogie till I just can't boogie no more. Boogie, boogie no more. Boogie, you can't boogie no more. Boogie, boogie no more. I'm gonna do that, guys. I got out the horse for the invasion. I'm getting invaded, guys. Just kidding. Someone said that. Who said that? Someone said. Oh, it might have been just the girl at the local gas station. The lady at the local gas station, but she hears a lot of the talk, but she probably hears just like the bartenders. Sometimes they have the best information, but you got to disseminate folks because they get a lot of information. You know what I mean? Everybody knows. Everybody knows the answer to the ice storm, folks. Yeah, like, did she say next week it's going to be really, really freezing and we're going to get rain? Because we were talking about how life doesn't suck at 12 degrees or 18 degrees or 20 degrees when it's not raining. Courtney, I figured I spelled it wrong. Is Courtney out of town? No, she is not. She's not out of town. Did I miss that, guys? No, we don't live together. She's not out of town. No, we had sunshine all day. I mean, there was sun shining. It wasn't warm or anything. Okay, now. There's loot down here. I think I never got, guys. Different jurisdictions. Okay, well, that was scary. But you know what? We don't have any freaking runes on us, so I'm not scared. I'm dying. No, I know just the way the conversation was going, like she was. Yeah. Got you. Yeah, context is a great thing, man. You can kind of feel a vibe for what's going on in the conversation. And that one probably... This is the loot I'm talking about, guys. I don't remember looting this before. Whoa! Well, that's why. Hello! Didn't knock me off my horse, though, guys. So that's good. It didn't hurt me. That was probably my, my tier. Monday going to be some wet weather, but it shouldn't be too cold down there. Okay, I mean, it was cold and warm outside, says J Mac. I mean, the cold and warm at the same time. Is there a Grace over there? No? Why do I feel like there was a Grace? There's no Grace by the monster, right? No, I'm her. It's all good. Going up, folks. Going up. So you said your night was interesting, Courtney. You don't want to talk about it right now? I would love to hear about it. I'm sure chat would be fascinated, but I actually am fascinated. Did you get a new microphone? No, Jay. My voice has improved immensely over the last 24 hours. Yeah, I just got it like that. Actually, yeah, no. After all that bullcrap I just said, no, I didn't get a new mic. I did not. I might have got a little closer to it because I could feel my throat because chess stream was the 12. Look at that guy. It's like he's attacking something. That's disturbing. The chess stream earlier was a nice long 3.5 hour stream or something. And I talk a lot because I'm not even playing chess. I'm commentating on everyone else's games and just talking with chat. And then last night I sang a few songs and worked and hosted open mic, talk a little bit there too. But wait, there's more. We started a little stream about what? Just about 4 hours ago, and 3 hours ago. And it's just a lot of talking, man. So I'm probably like closer to the mic, talking a little bit chiller. And it might sound different and more clear. Courtney says all is good. Night was fine. Just re-evaluating stuff. Ah, yeah, you were telling me about that last night. Got you. Got you. I'm fixing to kill a fire giant, guys. What songs did you say? What songs did I sing last night? Last night I sang... The last song I sang was kind of fun. It was... a song I wrote a long time ago, and it was kind of in my head. When I get a song in my head, and it sounds stupid, but I really do. I need to sing it. I need to sing it to get it out of my head. You know what I mean? And it's just the way it is. Because it's kind of in my head, it's kind of in my heart, and I just got to kind of sing it to shake it off. And it's a song that... What grace is this? Oh, I've had this grace before. This is the grace where over there is Commander Neal. Okay. Dude, I got a solo Commander Neal. So the last song I sang was a song called The Things That Stay With Me, a song I wrote. Earlier, I sang like a Merle Haggard song called I think I'll Just Stay Here and Drink. I sang Folsom Prison by Johnny Cash. What else did I sing? Pretty milquetoast, run-of-the-mill, just kind of nice, fun, chill stuff that like Mark and I can play on because Mark plays piano, I play guitar. And so, come on. I got to kill a fire giant over here. Guys, I almost always do Commander Neal before fire giant. Oh, is there not a tree spirit over here, guys? The double down tree spirit. Am I going the right way? Killing the Erd tree. Yeah, I didn't sing the Halig tree. I didn't sing the Halig tree last night. Now, but guys, if you guys come to the, if you guys come to this, guys, March 20, breaking news. Whoa, I can't even see. That's just it. Okay, I'm just gonna trust it. I'm on host. Breaking news, guys. March 22nd, 23rd. There's much more info on the page at Charlie Sardo Gaming. You'll see the post. It's right toward the top. Might have to scroll down 2 videos. We are getting together in real life. And when you guys come and do this with me, I'm going to hire a band and they're going to entertain us while we party down. This is the last event. There's other events that aren't. It's not going to be all about partying down, guys. But we are then going to... I will get up and perform with the band for the last set. And we will include songs like... We're going to kill the Halig tree. We can have a sing-along, okay? And then some of the music from the stream. You don't hear any right now because I've turned it off. But the chess stream, and I play that music here sometimes. Am I even going... Did I just go in a circle? No, because I just picked up a sombra I didn't see, right? But I feel like... Oh, wait. No, I am getting there. I'm getting there right now, right, guys? Fire Giants incoming. No, I've never been over here. There's something dumb over here. What am I doing? Fire Giant is where? There's Liturgia. Where am I? I got to go back to this Grace, I think. I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I got to run past the lake. I got to run past the lake. I know. I turned left at the lake, guys. I'm going the way to go to Commander Niall, I think. Yeah. Got you. Thank you. I'm glad. See, that's the problem. I got... Oh, no, I can do this over here, though. To be sure, I get the stream up. Good. You didn't miss much. All you missed was me being lost, but now I'm on the right path. Wish could go to that meet. Yeah, man. I wish you could too, man. Any of you guys that can make it, I would love to meet you guys, man. We're going to do Friday early, or like late afternoon, early evening. We're going to have a chess playing, pool playing get together at the venue at Brass Hall. And then Saturday, we are going to have a barbecue style, family style barbecue where it's going to be outside at a park. Weather should be good. If the weather's not good, we'll just have to freaking adapt and overcome, right, guys? We'll figure it out. And then we are going to have... Oh, the crabs. I forgot about the crabs! I knew the dragon was going to be there, man. Where is he? I think we made it past it. And then we are going... Oh, my God. The crab. The other crabster. Mr. Krabs! So we're going to have a family-style picnic barbecue outside Saturday. So for those of you like need to come and just grab the Grace, need to come with the wife or some kids or something, you know, and you say I can't go do like the party at the end, you know, if it's going to be a nightclub 21 and over or whatever, we got a kid, it's like cool come to the date, just come for the picnic, man. Come for Saturday, guys. It's going to be fun. It's absolutely going to be magic. It's going to be cool to go back to Brass Hall. Eric Haddon, you're a yokel. Eric will be like, what's up? Yeah, there's some new people at work there. Although, to be honest, I'm not 1,000% sure who works there on nights that are not,
Spoken echoes, shall
I only work Tuesdays, I guess. I'm not there every other night. Wolfman's still there. I think, whoa, what the hell? Yeah, Jason is definitely still there. Come on, what am I talking about? All the medicine I have to haul with me, and not to mention the amount of cornstarch. Yeah, right, Caleb, I bet. The song that you wrote, is it on YouTube? The Things That Stay With Me?
Please continue.
It's not, but you know what's funny? I almost feel... I could sing it. I have 3 followers on SoundCloud, guys, because I don't... And these are all my songs. I have Think Twice and Somebody's Brother Went Crazy. Yeah, it's not on here, man. So I guess I never recorded that and posted it on SoundCloud. I didn't really have a lot of music on SoundCloud. And one of the songs isn't even mine. Yeah. Okay. Yep, I was looking because it was kind of around the time like I had my SoundCloud. What? Oh my God, I thought there was a fog wall up. I thought I got invaded, folks. Okay, so we just came from there, and now we just got to go this way. There's an Everjail over here? What does it do? Charlie, I'll get with you soon. If you still want me to bring some smoke rig, I can. I have everything pretty much pre-made. I just need a little head count. Yeah, Sean, absolutely. I was looking today trying to figure out how to make an event. And there has to be a way to make an event. But I couldn't figure it out. I swear to God. And I'm looking and I can't find it. I'm like, is a page, Charlie Sardo Gaming can't make an event? That's stupid. I don't get it. But someone on the stream, Lois New, was saying, just make an event page. I'm like, yeah, but then, you know, it's like, she said, that's what everybody does. I said, yeah, but everyone isn't a streamer with 21,000 followers. Like, I have a freaking gaming page. I should be able to make an event on my page that people can go in, interested, going, leave comments. You know what I'm saying? But I'm so glad she told me that idea, because I guess I could just make a page called the Charlie Sardo Gaming Chiller, or the Chillers event page, and then keep advertising it here and say, click on this and go if you're going to come or if you're interested so you can see about it. Then we can post pictures, videos, yada, yada, yada. And da, 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 da. So that really might be the best way to do it. I just think I should be able to make a freaking event. But I'm going to have a head count real soon here because it's about a little over 2 months away. And so I'm going to try and get the head count. The final head count's probably going to be done more like a month away, 3 weeks away. When I say final, it's going to be a guess, right? But that's all happening, and I will talk to you. And you know what? We might need the full rig, Sean, and some pre-cooking. Or, dude, you know what? We might need almost nothing, man. When I say almost nothing, I mean you might not. You could maybe pre-cook some stuff, and freaking we could cook some stuff here, and they got barbecues there, and we could warm stuff up, and bing, 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 and maybe we might be feeding 12 people. We might be feeding 35 people, but I don't think it's going to be 150 people. I don't know, though. I hope it is. Dude, I want to be overwhelmed, bro. I want to be overwhelmed. I want to listen to it and check it out. J. Matt, cool, man. Can't remember the name of the grace. Event page something. I'll do some research tonight and tomorrow we can touch base, figure out how we want to do it. Yeah, cool, Sean, man. Yeah. You have 4 SoundCloud followers, Kevin. That song, Think Twice, is my cousin Sergio. He recorded that at my house. The other one, Someone's Brother Went Crazy, I wrote that song. And recorded it in my house. And I hired out for friends the piano, and my friend played steel guitar in it too. Okay, we're going the right way. Let's just get up. Let's get up the hill. Let's get to the fire giant. You just keep running till you see Chain, folks. I know Trey is in Houston. Drew is in Texas also. I'm not sure. Drew, are you in Texas? Are you still here? Trey would know where Drew is. I know that Trey is definitely in Houston. Drew might be not in Texas. I'm just not 1,000% sure. Yeah, there's plenty, man. Kirkendall's here. Eric Haddon is here, man. He was just talking about it. Courtney is here. My son is here. There's quite a few people that involved with the streamer that watch the stream that are in Texas. As a matter of fact, I think most of my followers are in Texas. Yeah, which is pretty cool. We're skipping all Amigo loot. We don't need any of this malarkey. Just want to get through here, and I want to get to a fire giant, guys. Drew left. You had to. Oh, that's right, Drew. He did. You're right. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, we got the first chain, folks, and there's a grace on the side of the chain. Michigan. You're in Michigan, Davis. Hey, man, that's why you got 2 months to plan it. That's why we're telling you ahead of time. It's over 2 months away. If you read the post here on Charlie Sardo Gaming, it's just a few posts down. I got to go back and pin that post. It's in Marble Falls, Texas. And Google Marble Falls, Texas, guys. Just Google it. You'll be like, oh, man, that's a pretty place. Like there are people from Corpus Christi. I was playing a gig, and there were some people from Corpus Christi, which is down by the ocean. And, okay, there might be some oil field stuff there going on, right? And at this gig, I was playing music in Marble Falls, and there were 2 different groups at this gig that had come from Corpus Christi to vacation in Marble Falls. It's like, I might go vacation in Corpus Christi. You know what I'm saying? But they were vacationing in Marble Falls because Marble Falls is pretty cool. And they already live in Corpus Christi. Yeah, Marble Falls is a cool little place, man. It's not bad. That's why I chose it. I work the rigs from 3 to midnight. This is not the drop off where my grace is it? It might be because I kind of walked up a little different. There it is. I kind of came from a little different angle, folks. So I wasn't sure. Fire giant, guys. Freaking fire giant. Alright, guys. Guys, I hate to say it, but I think I'm going to call it. And the reason why is... Well, you know what? No, I'm not going to call it. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to kill a fire giant in the first attempt. I'm going to give you guys one full powered, 1000%, no throw, freaking I'm killing Fire Giant in the first attempt. And you know what? If I do, everyone that missed it is going to freaking love it. You know what I mean? Because they'll watch the replay and be like, okay, he did it. He did it on one shot. Yeah, Kirkendall, we're going to do it, man. Because I'm thinking it's getting kind of late. And it's like, let some more people be here for the Fire Giant kill. But you know what? You guys stayed. And I dragged you guys all the way here. So we're gonna give this this is the attempt for the Fire Giant. I'm gonna kill this fool. No summons, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay. Drew said no magic. We do weapon poopy. Right? I think that's what he said. Catherine McKay with the After Darkers Unite. Let's get it. At least try a few attempts, Caleb. I'm going to do one attempt because that's what I got in me. I really thought I'm going to end the stream, but I'm like, no. I got to give you guys something. It's going to be one attempt because I'm going to one-shot this fool, dude. I've spent so many hours in this freaking guy. 12 hours of my first playthrough, guys. It was too much. It was too much. Okay. When I see him... Oh my god, there he is, guys. Okay, guys, hopefully I can time getting off the... How'd I do? I need to go. Why'd he roll so fast? There we go. He didn't hit me. Come on, hit him! Yeah, this thing's a little slow, guys, and this is the worst pull I think I've ever done. Why do you roll like that, bro? Dude, he's taking no damage! Okay, I'm doing another pull. That was the worst pull I think I've ever done. I think like the very first Fire Giant I ever did, I just ran in and like started hitting him on his leg. 0 carbs, all butchered in Texas. A buddy of mine's ranch. We'll be cooking any fish for this, but you have any special requests? I'll absolutely try it. Yeah, like I said, Sean, it might not be that big. And we can talk more about it later, but we don't have to, Oh, you're giving Caleb ideas. Right. I got you. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It didn't do much. But I also didn't hit him. Because I didn't have both swords out. This is a 2-sword thing. Yeah. This is a 2-sword thing. Okay, let's go back in. I nailed the Okay. That doesn't matter. Going in. Got this. Man, I never timed the... Now watch me screw the jump up. Nailed it. Two swords. That's what I got to do is the right button. Wrong. I got to do 2 buttons. And it's not, you know what? It's not going to do much. This is a hard fight. This is not a build that's like gonna melt the Fire Giant. And it's Ng+8. Okay. A little drinky. This is not bad. This is like, this could be... to be a... No! Fighting him here could be a nightmare, but we can maybe get phase 2 here. Come on. Phase 2. Phase 2. Phase 2. Melee alone. It's not bad. Kevin Chevrolet says, you're fired! Neutral to magic, I think. Yeah. Alright, guys. Phase 2, baby. And we got lots of health pots. Oh, I should have got health pots, guys. I should have got health pots. I have a ton of mana pots I don't even need. Oh, come on. I'm going to run out of health pots. I don't want to fight him by a rock. Oh, I rolled that. Come on, I can hear his hand, guys. I'm missing everything. I'm missing everything! Oh, he hit me. Dude, I'm missing everything. It's okay. Get on it. I can't hit him. Just hit him. Just hit him with something. Right? There we go. Oh, they got me. Dude, you know what, man? Okay. The first phase 1 was a joke. Then I did good. The second phase 1, the first phase 2 was pretty much a joke. He was 50%. I got him to like 25%, 30%. My 3 and 5-year-old loved watching that cutscene. It's cool, man. It's cool. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we got this, man. Guys, I am going to call it, though, man. I'm going to call it. I want to thank you guys so much for carrying me all the way to the fire giant. Now you guys know I can kill a fire giant, guys. I can kill a fire giant. Melee build. I think trinkets aren't... Oh! Dude, check this out, Caleb. Equipment. I was fighting him with the gold scarab. You take that gold scarab and you put on a flame drake talisman +2. Then I take a ton less fire damage. Right? I'm not using any skills. I could trade this trinket out for something that's going to help me a lot. Raises potency of sorceries. Not using sorceries. I'm just hitting him. I could trade this out for something that's going to help a lot. Yeah. I'm telling you. I had the golden scarab and sorcery trinkets. That's magic damage, but it's not sorceries. So I did that almost and charged greatly boosts the attack power of skills. I wasn't using skills. So I would say basically right there, all 4 talismans were like being empty. Dead serious. Kevin, I'm not going to, man. I'm sorry. I love you, but I'm going to call it, man. I got to call it. Thank you, Kevin, for being here. I love you guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, Detox Thursday. What do we do for Detox Thursday? We play chess. I'll probably play Elden Ring in the morning. And I will probably play Elden Ring in the night. Maybe see if we can finish this freaking game tomorrow, man. Get through Farum Azula. I'm gonna 100% the Steam achievements tomorrow too, guys. In Farum Azula. I'm gonna kill Bernal, get his hammer, and my Steam achievements will be 100% done. Some people do it on the first playthrough. I don't. I never tried. Yeah, good night, Kevin. Thanks for being here, dude. Yeah, NyQuil time for the flu guy over here. Kirkendall, feel better, dude. Thank you for all your help, and I'll talk to you, man. We're gonna get a count, and then we're gonna make a plan. And I think it's gonna be easier than we think, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome, dude. Kirkendall, thank you for the help, dude. I really appreciate it, guys. I freaking love you guys, man. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Good night.